of MacBooks for repair: A2141, A1990, A2159, SSD replacement, and this is a DFU process is running, recovery process. Connected our DC power supply, and we replace SSD, this one also, this MacBook also. Because of short SSD, system is totally dead. This is the recovery process. These MacBooks recover all SSD data and on the system. See, taken 300-400 amp, and MacBook is on now. Totally dead MacBook, and all SSD replacement process complete now. 4 of 4. This is 4-step complete. After 4-step, pedal lock is there, and if pedal lock is there, recovery process is complete. Thank you.